Starting with the beautiful name of Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate. Hey, what's up guys? I hope you people are doing perfect, and Shine, who is watching my video. Anyway, most welcome to Spoken English Corner. In this platform, you will get a lot of information regarding English learning. For example, English grammar, idioms and phrases, daily routine sentences and new words. And these new words will enhance your vocabulary, which will help you to speak fluently without any sort of hesitation. And here you will get tips and tricks regarding spoken English. So today I am here to teach you some interesting idiom for making your speaking skills more professional. So let's start. The first idiom is a child's play. This means an easy task, so we can make an example on it like this. It's not a child play to get success without struggle. Or you can make another example on it like this. It's not a child play to pass the competitive exam without hard work. The second one is above board. It means clear and obvious. So you can make a sentence on it like this. His business with others is above board. The third one idiom is a fish out of water. So it means like whenever you are feeling like in a distress conditions, or you are unhappy, upset or not relaxed. While staying in New Zealand, I felt like a fish out of water. Or another example would be like this. Before the result announcement, I was like a fish out of water. The fourth one idiom is a man of leisure, means educated, knowledgeable or scholars. You can use it in the example like Nabil is a man of leisure. The fifth one and the last one idiom of this video of today's topic, at length, means last or ultimate. So I am going to make the example on this idiom like at length the teacher came and started the class. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. By the way, if you want to make your spoken English fluent and professional, then subscribe to this channel, because in future you will get amazing information regarding spoken English. And don't forget to click on bell icon for new update whenever I uploaded any sort of information on this channel, so you people will receive a notification and you will watch it and you will get a lot of information from it. So goodbye and take care, and wish you best of luck.